I'll guide you through the process of splitting a bill on Zelle, from selecting your group to manually adjusting individual shares for the most accurate math. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open your banking app and navigate to the Zelle section, typically found under the Transfer and Pay menu. Then select the Request or Split option. Choose the contacts you want to split the bill with, keeping in mind that most major banks now allow you to select up to 10 people for a single request. Enter the total amount of the bill in the primary field. Review the automatic equal split that Zelle calculates, which ensures every person in the group is requested the same amount by default. Tap on any individual contact's amount to manually adjust their share, which is perfect for situations where one friend ordered a more expensive meal or extra drinks. Add a memo or note at the bottom, like pizza night or rent and utilities, to give your friends a clear record of what the request is for. If you are requesting money from someone who hasn't enrolled in Zelle yet, use an email address instead of a phone number, as this ensures they receive the official invitation to sign up and pay. Tap Review to see a final summary of who is being charged what, then hit Split to send all the requests simultaneously. Monitor your Activity tab to see when each friend has paid. Since Zelle is integrated with your bank, the money will land directly in your account with no extra transfer steps. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.